Hello. Today we are going to show you how you can fix a discrepancy in your reconciliation. First, click on the gear icon, then go to Reconcile. You can see that the beginning balance is off by £390. Click We can help you fix it. The discrepancy is caused by this check, which was deleted. It has since been entered back on the books, but it is not reconciled. Click Done, then go to Bank Register. Click on the filter and type in the amount of the transaction, then Apply. Open up the transaction. This box shows the reconciliation status. Click on it twice to change this to R for reconciled, then click Save. Click on Reconcile, and that's it. You have now fixed your discrepancy.